Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here as we explore the fascinating world of furniture trends and business insights. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to support our channel. Your engagement helps us create even more valuable videos for you. Stick around until the end for some exciting tips and insights that you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. The furniture industry encompasses various segments, including residential, commercial, and institutional markets. It is a dynamic field influenced by changing consumer preferences, economic conditions, and technological advancements. Understanding its complexities is vital for entrepreneurs and businesses aiming to thrive in this space. The industry not only involves the design and manufacturing of furniture, but also the logistics of distribution and marketing. Each segment has unique characteristics and trends that can significantly impact profitability. Analyzing these factors helps businesses identify opportunities for growth and innovation. The shift to e-commerce. The rise of e-commerce has revolutionized how consumers shop for furniture. Online platforms provide a convenient alternative to traditional brick-and-mortar stores, allowing consumers to compare prices, read reviews, and access a wider variety of products. This trend has prompted many furniture brands to invest in robust online shopping experiences, offering features like virtual showrooms and augmented reality tools to visualize products in their spaces. Brands that successfully embrace e-commerce can expand their market reach and improve sales without the constraints of physical locations, allowing for lower overhead costs and higher profit margins. Sustainable furniture trends. Sustainability has emerged as a key concern for modern consumers. The furniture industry is responding by adopting eco-friendly materials, sustainable sourcing practices, and production methods that minimize environmental impact. Brands that promote sustainability not only appeal to environmentally conscious consumers, but also differentiate themselves in a crowded market. Certifications, such as Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, for wood products, can enhance credibility and attract customers willing to pay a premium for green products. This trend not only supports ethical practices, but can also lead to increased customer loyalty and brand reputation. Customization and personalization. The demand for personalized furniture solutions is growing as consumers seek products that reflect their individual tastes and lifestyles. Companies that offer customization options, such as choice of materials, colors, and designs, can engage customers more deeply and create a sense of ownership. This trend is particularly popular among younger consumers who value unique items over mass-produced goods. By leveraging technology, such as online configurators, businesses can streamline the customization process, enhancing customer satisfaction and potentially increasing profit margins as consumers are often willing to pay more for personalized products. Minimalism and functionality. In urban environments where space is often limited, minimalism has become a prevailing design philosophy. Furniture that combines sleek design with functionality is in high demand. Consumers are looking for versatile pieces that serve multiple purposes, such as sofas that convert to beds or coffee tables with storage. Companies that focus on innovative, space-saving designs can attract this demographic, leading to higher sales. The minimalist aesthetic also appeals to those seeking a clean, clutter-free environment, making it essential for furniture brands to align their offerings with this trend to remain competitive. Health and wellness focus. The increasing focus on health and wellness has prompted a shift in furniture design, particularly in office environments. Ergonomic chairs, standing desks, and furniture that promotes better posture are becoming essential for both home and workplace settings. As remote work becomes more prevalent, consumers are investing in home office setups that prioritize comfort and health. Brands that innovate in this space can capitalize on the growing awareness of the importance of wellness in everyday life, leading to increased sales and customer loyalty as consumers seek products that enhance their physical well-being. Health and wellness influence of technology. The integration of technology into furniture design is an exciting trend that is reshaping consumer expectations. Smart furniture, equipped with features like wireless charging, Bluetooth speakers, and automated adjustments, appeals to tech-savvy consumers. This trend not only enhances convenience, but also aligns with the growing demand for connected home environments. Companies that invest in R&D to develop innovative products can capture market share and position themselves as leaders in the evolving landscape of smart home technology, ultimately driving sales and profitability. The role of social media. Social media has become a vital tool for furniture brands to engage with their audiences. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are particularly effective for showcasing visually appealing products and inspiring consumers with design ideas. Brands that create shareable content, collaborate with influencers, and engage in community-driven marketing can enhance their visibility and attract new customers. By leveraging user-generated content, companies can also build trust and authenticity, leading to higher conversion rates and increased sales. Global sourcing and production. Globalization has allowed furniture businesses to source materials and manufacture products at competitive prices. By leveraging international supply chains, companies can reduce costs and offer a broader range of products. However, this trend also presents challenges, such as managing quality control and ethical sourcing practices. Companies that build strong relationships with suppliers and maintain transparency in their supply chains can mitigate risks and enhance their reputation. This strategic approach can lead to improved profitability and customer trust as consumers increasingly seek ethically produced goods. Trends in color and design. Color and design trends significantly influence consumer purchasing decisions. Brands that stay ahead of emerging trends, such as earth tones, bold colors, or vintage aesthetics, can attract consumers looking to refresh their spaces. Collaborating with designers or conducting market research to understand consumer preferences can help companies develop products that resonate with their target audience. By aligning their offerings with current design trends, furniture brands can enhance their market presence and drive sales, ultimately contributing to profitability. The importance of customer experience. Providing an exceptional customer experience is crucial for building brand loyalty and driving sales. From the initial browsing experience to post-purchase support, each touchpoint matters. Businesses that invest in user-friendly websites, responsive customer service, and seamless delivery processes are more likely to retain customers and encourage repeat purchases. Additionally, personalized communication and follow-up can enhance the overall experience, leading to higher customer satisfaction. This focus on customer experience can translate into long-term profitability as satisfied customers are more likely to recommend the brand to others. The impact of economic factors. Economic conditions play a pivotal role in consumer behavior in the furniture market. During economic downturns, consumers may prioritize essential purchases over luxury items, leading to shifts in sales patterns. Businesses that understand economic indicators, such as consumer confidence and disposable income levels, can adapt their strategies to align with market conditions. For example, during tough economic times, companies may focus on offering budget-friendly options or financing solutions to attract cost-conscious consumers. This adaptability can help maintain sales and profitability even during challenging economic periods. The rise of subscription models. Subscription services for furniture are becoming increasingly popular, particularly among younger consumers who value flexibility and experience over ownership. This model allows customers to rent furniture for a specified period, catering to those who frequently move or want to try different styles without commitment. Companies that adopt this model can tap into a new revenue stream and attract a demographic that may not have previously purchased furniture. This trend not only increases sales but also encourages sustainable consumption habits, aligning with the values of environmentally conscious consumers. The importance of branding. Strong branding is vital for success in the competitive furniture market. A well-defined brand identity that communicates values, quality, and style can help differentiate a company from its competitors. Businesses that invest in building a recognizable brand can create a loyal customer base, leading to increased sales and profitability. Storytelling and consistent messaging across marketing channels can enhance brand perception and foster emotional connections with consumers, encouraging them to choose a specific brand over others. Future outlook for the furniture industry. The future of the furniture industry looks promising, with continued growth expected in areas such as e-commerce, sustainable products, and technology integration. Companies that adapt to changing consumer preferences and emerging trends will be better positioned to succeed in a competitive market. Innovations in materials, design, and production processes will also shape the industry's landscape. By remaining agile and proactive, furniture businesses can capitalize on new opportunities and drive sales and profitability in the years to come. In conclusion, the business of furniture is influenced by a myriad of trends that drive sales and profit. By understanding these trends and adapting strategies accordingly, companies can thrive in a competitive landscape. Emphasizing sustainability, technology, and exceptional customer experience will not only enhance brand loyalty, but also ensure long-term success. As consumer preferences continue to evolve, businesses that stay attuned to market dynamics and innovate will be well-positioned for future growth and profitability. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a thumbs up. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue creating great content for you. We appreciate you being part of our community. See you in the next video.